In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in OneDrive, 5 minutes. We'll start by getting into your Microsoft account. Open your browser and sign into your account as you normally would. If you have more than one account, like personal and work, make sure you're signed into the one where you want the file to live. A quick tip, if you're unsure, glance at the profile picture or initials in the top corner to confirm you're in the right place. Once you're in, look for the apps launcher. This is the grid or waffle icon, usually at the top left of the page. Click it to open the panel of Microsoft apps. From that menu, choose OneDrive. This takes you to your cloud storage where all your files and folders are organized. Inside OneDrive, head to My Files. Think of this as your main drive where everything is stored. Take a second to check the left-hand navigation and the breadcrumb trail at the top so you always know exactly where you are. Now choose the folder where you want the file to go. Click into the specific folder you already have set up. Being intentional about where your file lives saves time later and keeps shared content consistent if you're collaborating with others. Next, find the Create and Upload icon in the toolbar. It may appear as a button labeled New or Upload, depending on your view, but you're looking for the option that handles uploads. Click it to reveal the upload choices. Select Files Upload. This tells OneDrive you want to upload one or more individual files from your computer. Your system's file picker will open so you can choose what to send, browse to the file on your computer, select it, and confirm to start the upload. You'll see a progress indicator. Larger files and slower connections will take longer. Keep the browser tab open until the upload completes. If your organization enforces file type restrictions or size limits, OneDrive will alert you. Also, make sure you have enough storage space available. If you're close to your quota, consider removing old items before trying again. When the upload finishes, the file will appear in the folder you selected. You can click it to open and verify it looks right. If you don't see it, immediately refresh the page. Sometimes it takes a moment to sync. That's it. You signed in, opened OneDrive from the apps launcher, navigated to My Files, selected your destination folder, used the Create and Upload icon, chose Files Upload, and picked the file from your computer. Follow these steps each time you need to put a document, image, or any supported file into OneDrive, and you'll keep your cloud storage tidy and accessible from anywhere.